A person with a weak immune system is more susceptible to catching infections and getting sick as compared to a person with a strong immune system. Exercise and a healthy diet are two most effective ways for building a strong immunity. A list of herbs and spices in your cooking in order to gain maximum nutrition and eliminate all ailments from your life. 5. Spices that can give maximum nutrition and minimum sickness. All of these spices are easily available in the market and are in fact in every other Indian kitchen. Include them your daily diet to avail maximum benefits from them. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger or adrak is a spice which can be added to almost every Indian dish. All you need to do is grate it or soak it and add it during the initial stage of cooking. That is with onions, tomatoes, etc. Adding ginger at this stage allows the flavor of the spices in food properly. You can also include more ginger in your diet by having ginger tea or ginger pickle. The spice is high in gingerol, which is a substance with the powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger can be used to treat nausea and morning sickness. Number 2. Mint. Mint or pudina can either be added as a main ingredient or for garnishing to your food. You can also prepare mint chutney along with other ingredients such as onion, coriander leaves, red chili powder, some salt, ginger, garlic, etc. Mint can help with irritable bowel syndrome and can mask bad breath. Including mint in your diet can help in getting rid of indigestion, decrease pain while breastfeeding, and improve symptoms of cold. Number 3. Cumin. Cumin or jeera is another great spice which can help in reducing digestion problems. It can be added to almost every dish and adds a very interesting flavor to the dish. Adding cumin to your food can improve your cholesterol levels. The spice can promote weight loss and cut down on fat in your body. Cumin is also a rich source of iron. Number 4. Cinnamon or dalchini is a spice with high medicinal properties. It's loaded with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that can be great for health. Cinnamon can improve sensitivity insulin and is a dose great for diabetes. You can add cinnamon to your tea and coffee as well. Number 5. Cardamom. Cardamom is a delicious spice with a very distinct flavor to it. It has antioxidant and diuretic properties which are beneficial for controlling blood pressure. Anti-inflammatory effect of cardamom can offer protection from numerous diseases. You can save cardamom to treat bad breath and prevent cavities. Last but not the last, cardamom is a spice popular for boosting digestion.